Hello children, welcome back. This is the continuation of chapter 5 More on PowerPoint 2007. Okay, so in the last class you have learned how to create the chart and how to insert the different components of the chart. Okay, so in today's content you are going to learn changing the chart type and formatting a chart. So let us begin. Now here I have already created the chart. Okay, based on the marks they obtained on different subjects by different students. And if you can see here at the top, I have given the title for the chart and I have given the name for the y-axis. I have also given the name for the x-axis, and I have used data level and the grid line as well. Okay, so we call these as a different components of the chart, and you have already learned how to use the component of the chart while creating a chart in the last class. Okay, now today we will work with formatting a chart. Now before formatting the chart, first I will show you how to change the chart type. Okay, so if you want to change the chart type, you have to click on the design tab under the chart tools. Okay, see, under the chart tools you will get three tabs. One is design tab, layout tab, and format tab. So if you want to use the different components of the chart, you have to click on the layout tab. Okay, so here you will see the different components of the chart. Now to design the chart, we will click on the design tab. In the left corner, okay, you can see a change chart type button. So this button is used to change the chart from one type to another. So click on this button. So we call this as a change chart type dialog box. In the change chart type dialog box, so you can change the type of the chart you want. Suppose say if you want to use a line chart, click on the line chart. Okay, here you can see a different style for the line. So click on one of the style and click on OK button. See, this is your line chart. Okay, means the data has been plotted according to the line chart. Now again, if you want to change this chart type into another, go to the change chart type button. Okay, now suppose say if you want to use a bar chart, click on the bar chart. So here you will see a different style. Use one of the style, click on OK. So we call this as a bar chart. Okay, so similarly you will get different types of chart here. Suppose say area chart, scatter chart, okay, surface, donut chart. So click on any of the chart, whichever you want. Okay, just select the chart type, click on OK. Accordingly the chart will get plotted. Okay, so I just want to show you using a column chart only. So let me click on the column chart. So and let me select one of the chart type and click on OK. Okay, so this is my column chart, and right now I have showed you how to change your chart type from one to another chart. Now let us go to formatting the chart. In the last class I have showed you the chart area and the plot area. So this whole area we call this as a chart area. Okay, so under the chart area it comes everything else that is within the chart. But if you click inside, okay, so we call this as a plot area. So remember, there are two areas. One is known as a chart area. The entire area is known as the chart area, and the one that you can see here, okay, within this rectangular box, we call this as a plot area. Now under the plot area comes your y-axis, your x-axis, okay, say grid lines, data levels, and the data marker. Okay, you can format your chart as well as you can format your plot area separately. Okay, so first I will start with the chart area. So click offside. So this is my chart area. What you can do is you can right click the mouse button. From the drop down menu you can click on format chart area. Okay, so you will get a format chart area dialog box, or what you can also do is if you click on the layout tab, okay, you can also click on the layout tab. So under the layout tab, if you see in the extreme left side, here you can see the chart area has been selected. You can click on the format selection button. So once you click on the format selection button, the same format chart area dialog box appears here. Now fill. So means I want to fill the chart area. Okay, so you can use a solid fill, means solid color as well. Click on the color that you want to use. Okay, the color will appear on the background. Okay, so if you want to use the gradient fill, you can click on the gradient fill as well. So accordingly you can use different gradient from here. Okay, you can choose the type like say linear, radial. You can go for your preset color and choose one of the preset color. So accordingly the background color of the chart will be shaped. Now if you want to use the picture or the texture, you can use this one as well. So click on this radio button for the picture and texture. Okay, now if you want to use the texture, click on the texture. You will see different types of texture here. So whichever texture you want to apply, simply click on the texture. That particular texture will appear as a background of the chart. Now how to insert the picture? So you can insert the picture from the file. Okay, so click on this file button. Now you have to choose the different pictures that are available in your desktop or your laptop. Okay, so I have few pictures here. So let me select one particular picture. So click on the picture and click on insert button here. Now you can see the picture has been set as a background. So let me repeat once again. Under the fill, you will get a solid fill, you can get a gradient, you can get a pictures or a textures. Okay, now I just want to give a border color, okay, for the chart as well. So go to the border color here, click on the solid line. So use one of the lines. Suppose say I want to apply a red border. Okay, so the red color has appeared. Now I want to apply the border style. So click on the border style. So there are different types of styles you want to apply for the border. So choose one of the style and simply increase the width of the border. Okay, so you can see that as you increase the width of the border, okay, you can see at the left hand side that the border of the chart has appeared. Okay, so as you increase the width, accordingly the border will also get increased. Okay, now if you want to apply the shadow, you can use the shadow, 3D format, 3D rotation as well. After completing it, click on the close button. Okay, so I have formatted the chart area. Now how to format the plot area? Now click inside the chart here. So now you can see that this particular area is selected. So we call this area as a plot area. Now in the same way, right click the mouse button inside the plot area. Okay, so inside the plot area, you can right click the mouse button and click on format plot area. Or what you can also do is, once I select the plot area here, in the top left side you can see that the plot area has already been selected. You can simply click on format selection button. Okay, so this is the format plot area and it is very much similar to the format chart area. Okay, now again you can fill the plot area using either the solid color that you want to apply. Okay, you can use the solid color as well. If you want, you can use the gradient with different presets color. Okay, here you can also apply the picture or a texture. Okay, so here is a texture. You can use the texture that you want to apply, or you can also go to the file button and apply the picture in the same way that you have applied for the chart area. Next, go to the border color, because I just want to give a color for a border of the plot area as well. Okay, so click on solid line. So let me give the border as, suppose say, this particular color. Okay, a blue color. Now go to the border style. You can choose one of the style that you want to apply. Then you can increase the width of the border. Now as you see, as I increase the width of the border, you can see here the border of my plot area got increased. Okay, so finally click on the close button. So this is how we format the chart area and a plot area. So you can use the solid color, you can give the gradient fill, you can also use the texture or the picture. Okay, now let me go to the design tab once again. In a design tab, Under the chart style group, you will get different types of chart styles that you want to apply. Okay, so simply click on it. Accordingly, the chart will get displayed. So if you click on this drop down arrow, you will get a different chart styles that you want to apply to your chart. Click on one of the chart style. Accordingly, the chart will get plotted. Okay, so in today's content I have showed you how to change the chart type and how to format the chart area as well as the plot area. So this is all in today's session. I want all of you to create a open Microsoft PowerPoint, create a chart, follow the video that I have showed you in the previous class, okay, to insert the chart and practice it at home. Thank you, children.